Alright, campers, listen up. Here are 5 genius campfire cooking hacks you need to know. Number 1. Use a citrus peel as a natural flavor enhancer for your grilled fish. 2. Make pocket pies by wrapping pie filling in foil and cooking it over the fire. 3. Create a makeshift oven by placing a Dutch oven over hot coals. 4. Cook eggs in a bell pepper ring for a mess-free breakfast. And 5. Make delicious s'mores by using peanut butter cups instead of plain chocolate. Happy cooking and enjoy your outdoor feast!